Day 12 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. Okay, guys, welcome back. We're on day 12. Look at us. We're getting pretty far, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I need you guys to run them subscriptions up. I also need you guys to go ahead and drop that bank emoji in the comments. Don't you know that emoji got like the little dollar sign that look like a bank? Yeah, drop that in the comments for me too. Just anytime you watch one of my videos, just drop one of them bank emojis in the comments for me. It's greatly appreciated. So let's see what we have here today. We have question number 21, merge two sorted lists. The difficulty level is easy, so you know what that means. We're going to keep it plain and simple. We're going to make it do what it do, you know? So let's see what the question says. It says you are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made of splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Return the head of the merged linked list. So in example 1, we see we have an input of list 1 equals 1, 2, and 4. Then list 2 equals 1, 3, and 4. And what we want to do is combine the list so that they're still in order, but they can still have the same numbers. They can have duplicates of the same numbers as well. So the list is going to stay in the same order, but we're going to allow the list to have duplicate of the same numbers. So the output the output of example 1 would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then let's look at example 2. We got a list 1 blank array, list 2 blank array, output blank array. Then example 3, list 1 blank array, list 2 equals 0, so the output would be 0. So let's look at number 1 one more time because I feel like that does the best at explaining the problem. So you see list 1 we have 1, 2, and 4. List 2 we have 1, 3, and 4. And the output is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And basically what we did is we merged the two lists and kept the same order. So let's see how we can accomplish that through our code, right? So the first thing we want to do is make sure that the list is there. So to do that, we're going to say guard let list 1 equal list 1. Then we'll say let list 2 equal list 2. Else, then we're going to return either list 1, or if that's not there, we'll return list 2, right? So now that we have that, and we know the lists are there, let's see how we are going to merge the two lists, right? And in order to do that, what we are going to do is we're going to say if list1.val is less than list2.val, then what we're going to do is list.next will then equal, we'll merge the two lists, merge two lists. We're getting that from the function. The name of the function is merge two lists. And what we're going to do is we're going to say list1.next, comma, list2. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say return list1. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to basically do the same thing, but we're going to switch a few things around. So instead of saying list1, we're going to say, instead of saying list1.next, we're going to say list2.next. Then we're going to say equal merge two lists. And we're going to say list1, comma, list2.next. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to say return list2. And guys, that should be it. It should be that simple. I told you we're going to keep it quick and simple like we always do. So let's see what it says after we run it. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. What we got, and it's accepted. Let's submit it and see what that runtime looking like. You know what I'm saying? How we compare to the rest of these LeetCoders. Ooh, we be about 45.39% of users in Swift, runtime 9 milliseconds. It could be better, but we'll get there. We will get there. And that's all, folks. Until next time, I will see you guys tomorrow.